The song "Come People of the Risen King" by Kristyn and Keith Getty is it's a kind of a busy song. The acoustic guitar is doing a lot of different parts. It's kind of covering for some electric work, and the electric guitar has a couple key riffs and then mainly follows the rhythm of the song. And so I'm going to give you some adjustments that you can make, especially when you make sure to check out that rhythm section, because I do go over a couple different pieces on the electric guitar side just that didn't really work so well with tabs, but it just kind of gives you a sense of, okay, this is how you approach these chords. You can see it in the music video as well, but I would suggest going through that section. Don't ignore that one. The song is in the key of B flat. However, both guitars are capoed on the 3rd fret, so go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, and let's get started. Now we come in with this opening riff. It's going to sound like this. I'm going to turn off the effects for the moment so we can really hear what we're doing. And essentially we're just starting off on what looks like the 10th fret. Remember, when we're using a capo on the electric guitar, it can get kind of confusing when you're talking about frets as we go up. So I'm going to talk about what the frets look like, what numbers they look like, and then in your tabs below, you'll be able to see how it looks in relationship to the capo, because the tabs are always in relationship to the capo. So we're going to start out, what looks like the 10th fret is actually the 7th fret because of the capo. And we're just going to walk our way through this arpeggio. We're going to be on that G string, and we're just going to do all quarter notes. We start on the 2nd beat. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going from that G, next fret up on that B, twice on that what looks like 11, work our way back down, drop to that D string, and then we're walking from that what looks like 12, and then we're going to our high E, and those are all quarter notes. So once again, it's going to sound like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we pause and then repeat the riff again. And we do it a different amount of times every time. From the very beginning intro, we do it twice. Then we come in once after the first chorus. And then we do it later in the song. We do it 4 times over. So in the loop below, I actually gave it to you 4 times. You can really get the feel for it, as well as the tabs there you've got. Once you got that, let's go ahead and look at this verse. 2, 3, 4.